Part of being the united voice of the industry is also knowing our clientele. And so being a part of this great expo has been to meet with not only the manufacturers and distributors and people who serve the industry, but we're seeing more and more customers come and end users. And it was great to hear this morning the people who presented that were actual users and folks that were energy efficiency leaders and things like that. So we receive as well as give when we come to this expo.
What this expo really does is it brings the OEMs, the vendors, the suppliers inside the industry to one place. So the client, the customers, and the users have one location to go to. You see filtration people, you see instrumentation people, you see people that do what I do, which is automation controls, SCADA, IoT, those kinds of things. So, and it's a good place for the user, the client, to come and get immersed in the industry, in my opinion.
I keep coming back because it's very educational and I like to learn. And the industry is constantly changing, constantly learning more things about it. And this is the best place to pick up that information. And I like walking through here just to see all the new people who've entered into the industry. I like to see the old people who've stayed and what new they have coming out, just see old friends and network a little bit. So that's why I like coming here each year.
So the reason I come to this expo is to learn about compressed air, see what manufacturers have to offer us that we don't readily see in the day-to-day operations on a maintenance side. So it's really a all-around expo for me to come here.
I feel that the Best Practice Show is one of the shows I always were missing and looking forward to. It was the show which we didn't have in the United States. Most of the shows are driven strongly by distributor organizations or compressor organizations or even compressed air treatment manufacturers. We needed an independent show which is driven just by the manufacturers and not by any brand, where people and end users, especially end users, can come and really select, see new innovative products.
I gotta say, if you're in the compressed air industry, you should come to this expo because everything is here. And you have an opportunity to see and hear more about how to make things more efficient, more reliable, better compressor systems. I think both KGI is interested in that as well as everyone who participates.